Good morning, happy Saturday from the Staten Island Express. Let's see, 2007 GMC Envoy. Don't mind me, I'm not talking to myself, I promise. 2007 GMC Envoy for a battery light and not a charging issue. Battery lights on, but the vehicle charges. We have a new alternator put in and a new battery control module. The vehicle's charging. I did have codes for, if I can do this. I did have communication code, 2 communication codes in the battery control module. Reset it. Everything seemed to be fine. Light was out, no codes. Shook the car around a little bit and then got my U codes back. I even got a U code back in the instrument panel. The instrument panel lost communication with the battery control module. I think I did another video on one of these. Actually, I think it was the same kind of vehicle. Generator basically has 2 wires on it. One of them is a control from the battery control module, frequency modulated signal on the red wire. The gray wire is coming back, basically tells the battery control module that the battery it's actually charging and it's working, it's doing what it's supposed to do. And in turn, this module tells the instrument panel, put the light on, don't put the light on, report a message on the little display that says charging system problem or don't. Okay, so in this case we have you can see it. We are charging at 13.8, 13.9, 14. The charging system's working. I have let's see if I can do this without messing it up. The weird thing was when I got here, the light was out and everything was working. Let's slow this down a little bit. I got my little pocket scope out. Slow this down. So that's my signal from the generator back to the control module, which is working. This is my class 2 serial data line back to the instrument panel. Let's see if I can get this all in one shot. Nada. And I swear before I had it. Do I have a light in here? Can I get up now? Watch this. Let's see if I get the whole thing. Watch this. There it goes. Pull it. A little bit. Come on. And I can't do it. There we go. Lost it. Let me put a little more time on the screen. I got nothing. Watch this. Plug a little bit. Let me back up. Come on. And come on. There it goes. And we're good again. Now if I go back, I should be able to get... I should have showed you before I also had no communication. Oh, I still got no communication. Oh, I lost it again. See that? How about that? Now we got it. Let's try it again. Come on. Oh, nope, I still got nothing. It's there and it's not there. Come on. That might be it. Let's try it again. Nope. Yeah, look, I keep losing it. Come on. Come on. And end result is, I think this thing just needs a connector. Yeah, I lost it again. Come on. Come on. There it goes. If I hold it, I might be able to get it to work. Nah, as soon as I let it go, I lose it again. So, guess where we're going with this? And that's it. We're going to put a connector on this thing, and we'll get it fixed. I wish I could hold it to show you. I get communication back, but I can't. That's it. On to the next one. Have a good day, guys.